Hello and welcome to a Foggy review. Today, we're checking out the Modular Jail Cell by Grimm, available on eBay. This 3D printed jail cell is designed for 1/12 scale action figures. Once assembled, it's perfect for locking up all your villains. Speaking of assembly, let's take a quick look at how easy this is to set up. First, let's make sure we have all them bits ready. Jail cell door. To sidebars, these two are identical, easy to distinguish from the door and back bars. Here we have the back bars. These pieces are flexible yet strong and sturdy. The quality of these 3D prints is next level. Speaking of level, let's see them support beams. Each beam has a smooth and grooved side, grooved and slotted for the bar walls. Here we have the cell ceiling with light fixture. The ceiling is printed to be more translucent. This allows the ability to have light shine down onto your figures using a LED light. This allows for dynamic shelves and photos. Lastly, we have the cell floor. The ceiling and the floor have slots for the beams to fit into. Here's how that's done. Grooved side inward, smooth on the outside. Make sure it's flush with the floor. Once all the beams are in place, it's time to
drop some bars on them.
Be aware of the size difference between the sides and the front and back. Once you're squared up, slip and slide them in place using the grooved section. At first this may seem tricky. Taking it slow and steady is the key here. Be patient and recheck alignment as you go. The front I save for last. It has a guided section to slip down into those beam grooves. Make sure the cell door opening is facing the right direction. At this stage, it can be flimsy. To lock it all in, we turn to the ceiling. Make sure to align the slots on the ceiling with the beams and carefully push into place. Make sure all beams and bars line up as you secure the ceiling down. And just like that,
boom!
You have yourself a jail cell. I hear you thinking,
is it sturdy?
Let's see, shall we? Yup, I say it's sturdy all right. Okay, now let's see how many figures can fit inside. Six shoulder to shoulder, depending on the figures of course. This cell also elevates your display more than its good looks. You can also fit up to 6 figures on top of it, safe and sound, making it perfect for tall shelves. This cell also absorbs shock, helping to keep those figures standing. Well, there you have it. A jail cell for sale to help keep the baddies where they belong. Modular, functional, photogenic. I highly recommend picking up one or several while they last. A great addition to your shelf display and set pieces for toy photography or stop motion. Head over to Grimm's eBay store now and get yourself locked up. Link in the description. Thanks for watching. Text-to-speech used to save time. Sorry if it was annoying. Have a great day, you awesome human being.
Like, follow, share.